Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about break corner and corner trim. I create this part in Sheetmetal. Now select corner, select break corner, corner trim. OK. Select faces. For break corner, select the corners. I select this corner and this corner. Here you can define the break type. Either you can apply chamfer here or you can also apply fillet here. First of all, we apply chamfer. Dimensions for chamfer. The chamfer distance. I select 10 mm. OK. See here, this is break corner. At these corners, we also apply break corner. Now select break corner. Select this corner and this corner. Now we apply fillet here. See here, here is a fillet. This is the break corner. Either you can apply fillet or you can apply chamfer according to your requirements. Now select corner trim. Corner trim is only working in flatten pattern, so I flatten it. Now go to corners, select corner trim. Now select this corner. Here you can apply relief type, circular, square, bend based. I select circular and define some radius for circle. I select 10 mm ratio to thickness. You can also enter some ratio for thickness here. This is the corner trim. When we unflatten it, it will not show here. This will only show in the flattened pattern. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.